Oh, did you start already?
No.
Did you start it?
No.
Okay.
You need to rehearse first.
Okay. Did you start it?
Why do you keep asking me? It's
Okay.
like you don't believe my answer.
Welcome, YouTube, to the unboxing experience review of the TP Link. I guess you're supposed to have this in the bathroom then.
Toilet paper. I do not think it would be effective to wipe your ass with that.
The TP Link Kasa spot pan tilt.
I told you not to.
Okay, the TP Link Kasa spot pan tilt.
You see, audience, the thing about this dude is
Kasa.
He's both Swedish and a dumbass. And
your feet is a dumbass.
Okay.
Yeah,
they have cats on them.
Oh, they sure
That's more than you can say.
Alright, now
anyway,
this is the TP Link Kasa spot pan tilt indoor security camera, because you know, if you're indoors, you want to be secure. You want to have you want to look.
We're not right now. That's why we have it.
And you can yell at people. That's like,
yeah, because it has a speaker.
You can push the button and be like,
if you have never noticed,
Mr. Intruder, get out of my house, you intruder, you. And then they will get out.
Or alternatively, this was
get your feet down.
This was purchased for this dude and myself by his father, and his father is really cool. And he said, you know what the cool thing about this is that it has a speaker, so you can yell at your cats when you're not even at home. And I'm like, I really like you.
Mm-hmm. So, what is it like to unbox it then? I doubt anyone is still watching, but
why would they?
No, why would they? Okay, so you get out your trusty knife, get the blade all the way out to be really classical, like be really rough about it. Okay. And then you...
There's a duck in the background.
Yeah, there's ducks.
There's another duck.
We like ducks.
Jesus Christ, look at all those ducks.
All them ducks.
I like big ducks and I cannot fly.
So, you open it.
Ouch.
Ah, that classic TP Link smell.
Let me smell.
See? Yeah.
Jesus!
That is what we're talking about. The classic TP Link smell.
Or is that my feet?
No, I don't think it's your feet. You get this cardboard box out of the package. So right now it is in mint Okay.
It didn't smell like mint condition.
No. So you get the TP Link. This is some cipher book for their ciphers, which they will be using in the rest of the ciphers. So here, ciphers, alright? Ciphers, and then we have download Kasa, which I have already done, blah blah blah. You have a wall plug, USB wall plug. It is the Swedish version, I think, European,
it's
whatever. Oops.
Fucking.
So you have that. I'm gonna put that here actually. And you have the camera itself comes protected in a bag.
Don't touch the lens.
Don't touch the lens. No, I haven't touched the lens. Yeah. You can twist it. So you can...
Stop, you're gonna fuck up the motor, you fucking... This is why this dude sits and makes fucking unboxing experience review videos filmed on his cell phone by his wife because he's too stupid to not know that you don't turn a motor on...
Oh no, there's been an accident. The looks like a robot or something. Hello, how are you today?
It doesn't look like it would talk like that. It's more like, hello, I am a robot. I am not sentient.
Okay.
I am so tired of not being sentient. I swear to God,
Hello.
I talked to the guy that built me, but...
Okay, hello 1940s sci-fi movies. Anyway, there's that.
Did they have Valley robots in the 1970s or whatever?
Oh yeah, look, you can actually tilt the head too of the...
Quit!
Hello, how are you today? Are you sentient? I am not sentient. Beep, beep, beep.
Yeah, that is that is how that is. You have the USB robot type thing. Don't touch the lens. Blah blah blah. And you get
Percy!
oh, you get a USB cord.
Percy!
USB cord
Percy!
type thing. And then you get a little stand for when the robot is tired. That looks like a little stand like this. If you can't open it. It's a stand.
I can open it with my feet.
It's a stand
What's
for
that?
oh yeah, you gonna put
Suddenly he figures it out.
you can put the little
That's a trick, ladies and gentlemen, and ladies mostly. If someone claims they can't do something, your partner mostly, threaten to do it in a retarded way. I'm sorry that you don't say the R word. An idiotic way. Hi, Percy!
You have to edit that out now. Edit it out. No,
It's not my fault.
see, I tried
I've been married to you so long that you've
put it on,
ruined
but
my...
look what happens. It's falling off. You put it back on again.
Percy! Are you good?
Percy. See?
Hello, Mr. Robot. Beep, beep, beep.
See?
Aww, Percy.
No, it fell off
Come
again.
to mama.
Anyway, I don't think you need that for any specific purpose because this, it has feet here.
So do I.
So this is the security camera. And you has Wi-Fi on it, and there's the USB thingy on the back, and then you plug it in, and then it just works, and it's great and awesome, and everything is fantastic. So this, I think 8 out of 10, because it was fairly easy to unbox.
Ow, what?
Fairly easy to unbox, and then you have
It tickled me.
you have a little thing. So 8 out of did I say 9? 8, 9?
I don't know.
Okay, I will have to, okay, 8. Easy to unbox. No surprises there really. It was fun. It's a bit confusing that you think you're gonna get a Wire Pro security camera and then all you get is a robot, but that's fine. So I will see you all in the next one. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe.